and welcome to UC Today. My name is Kieran, and today's session is called Empowering Your Business's DECT Digital Transformation. I'm delighted to be joined by Paul Rowe, Senior Product Manager at Spectralink. Paul, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Before we dive into the topic at hand, can you please tell us a bit about yourself, Paul, and the work you do with Spectralink?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Kieran. So I'm a product manager at Spectralink. I've got a background in working at tech vendors in enterprise communications. So I've helped manage transitions from TDM to voice over IP, from voice over IP to unified communications and collaboration. And now I've got a role in mobile integrations into enterprise. Here at Spectralink, we're fully focused on in-building mobility solutions. We meet the needs of customers, especially in healthcare and elderly care, in retail, in hospitality, and in manufacturing and other industrial environments.
Perfect. And before we examine the digital transformation side and how exactly Spectralink can empower businesses, I'm curious to pick your brain about a more industry-wide cultural question at the moment. What sort of trends are you seeing with businesses who are in the mobility sector as we move towards 2024?
Thank you. Mobility is still a key requirement, a key need in our target verticals. A lot of businesses and enterprises, over 80% have deskless workers or other frontline workers. Don't have a laptop or a phone on the desk. So they're relying on a mobile device to stay in contact with colleagues and with customers. So those needs remain. What we're seeing is a continued trend to move away from old phone systems to centralized unified communication platforms. So the ongoing cloud and hosted market, and we're focused around communication needs for those mobile workers, whether it's voice calling, but also we integrate into alarms and messaging systems to provide lone worker safety and security, and if you like, IoT type applications within enterprises.
And what sort of challenges do businesses face in their digital transformation, especially now at this critical stage with the switch off coming in a couple of years? It feels like it's all hands on deck for this massive digital transformation.
Yeah, although it's a popular choice in buying systems today, there's still a very large legacy base on old platforms. The reason why there's still such a large legacy base is, there is a challenge in moving to the UCaaS platform, but also serving those mobility needs. But other challenges around mobility are still there as well. So we see noisy environments, especially in industrial, like factories, very, very noisy environments. So that need for crystal clear voice is a continued challenge. And then handsets that can withstand daily wear and tear, live up to the demands of life on a factory floor or a warehouse or hospital.
And I guess, those are the problems, those are the challenges. Now we get to talk about Spectralink's solutions. How does Spectralink assist businesses in addressing these challenges?
We help customers with their transitions to unified communications as a service. So we do that by having a large technology partner ecosystem, and we provide customers choice. So whether they're moving to Microsoft Teams or WebEx or Zoom or 8x8 or RingCentral, we provide integrations and interoperability. So we making sure we're partnering not only with our existing partners, but also with new communication service providers. Those partners who have national and international coverage and scale, who can support those enterprise transitions. A lot of enterprises are a collection of multiple sites like retail stores, as well as multiple factories and warehouses or hospital buildings. So partnering with partners who can provide that extra service and support. We're also investing in new technologies to help cut out background noise. So you'll see things like AI being used on audio calls to block out active noise cancellation on our Wi-Fi smartphones. In our DECT cordless phones, we've recently introduced the S series, and that's got far higher processing power to run algorithms that also detect and remove background noise. So we see that's really important. And as the move to AI, looking to get more productivity out of phone calls, that crystal clear voice quality is going to be key for AI to do its magic and look at sentiment analysis. Like customers likely to buy, the project team's happy and engaged, as well as post-wrap meeting notes and action lists. That's all going to rely on crystal clear voice, something that we're investing in, and then also the cloud management. So we do lots of large global retail store transformations, as well as industrial and healthcare. And what we see is the need to provide the analytics, so we can identify usage within in-building mobile systems. Where our calls being made and received, where are the hotspots? That can then lead into smarter building decisions. How much space do we need? Where's most of the business being conducted? So that analysis is key. Is key as well. And that's something that we assist businesses in their challenges.
Fantastic. And another important factor for us businesses looking to undergo these digital transformations is the preservation of legacy systems and the big word, recabling. So Spectralink's Gateway solution, does it preserve these legacy systems, and does it entail recabling?
Yeah, that's a really important point, Kieran, because what we're finding is 1 in 7 enterprises will still have legacy cabling going into 2025. So not only are those DECT use cases strong for in-building mobility, but also there's a lot of businesses out there still with legacy cabling, like twisted pair cable that can't run wireless access points. And you might ask yourself, well, why don't businesses just recable and put in new cable? It's not that easy. The challenges to recabling, a lot of these are factories with super high ceilings, where you need very expensive specialist labor, technicians to go in and cable at above like 7 meters, costing lots of money. Also, there's other businesses, like if you imagine running a hospital, it's a 24/7 operation. You can't disrupt operations. You can't close the A&E department for a day or two to recable. Same thing in factories. Factories are running production lines. Again, they can't just switch off. So it tends to preserve the need for legacy cable. And this is where our new solution, the DECT Gateway, fits. So we've developed a gateway as, if you like, a key between an DECT solution running UCaaS integrations with a customer's UCaaS platform of choice, but also allowing the customer to preserve in-building mobility networks over twisted pair cable. So the gateway is a key between those two worlds. What it means is customers can finally retire those old legacy phone systems, which are increasingly difficult to maintain and impossible to get spare parts. They can effectively now retire those, remove them, and then Spectralink DECT solution enables, serves the in-building mobility needs. We can put in a highly scalable centralized server, or we can provide distributed servers and preserve that legacy cable. So we're very excited about the opportunity for the gateway to really fast track now those transitions from legacy to UCaaS.
Perfect. And one final question before I let you go, Paul. What does 2024 have in store for Spectralink?
Expect Spectralink to continue to innovate for in-building mobility needs. We're 100% focused on that solution. Expect us to stay close to our key customers across the healthcare, elderly care, retail, and manufacturing and industrial. You'll see, with our recent launch of the S-Series DECT devices, we have increasing power and new technology in those devices. One of the things to look out for in 2024 is more precise indoor location. So we're going to be using technologies like Bluetooth and Bluetooth beacon infrastructure to actually provide precise whereabouts of assets and also of people. So again, to improve that lone worker safety security. Not only can we get an alarm sent, we also will have pinpoint accuracy in where that person is. So expect to see innovation around location tracking services. And we're also looking forward to getting the feedback from our customers on the gateway and also on the S-Series, our new lineup of the DECT handsets. So we'll be continuing to innovate around their needs.
Perfect. Well, I think that's a always good place to end with the exciting engagement with customers. I think that's all we've got time for today. But I've really enjoyed today's session, so thank you, Paul, for being here.
Thank you, Kieran, for having me. Pleasure.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and share on social media, and we'll see you next time. I've been Kieran Devlin of UC Today. Thanks for watching.